Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be making chicken and sausage Alfredo. Okay, so first I'm just cutting the chicken up into smaller pieces. Okay, so once I was done, I'm just going to be seasoning it, and I'm going to show you guys the seasonings that I use. Now I'm just mixing everything up, and then I'm going to show you the noodles that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to add them into the water that's boiling. Okay, these are the sweet Italian sausage. I'm just going to be cutting them in half and taking the skin off the back of them, and then I'm going to be cutting them into smaller pieces. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, so in this pan I have some water and some butter, and I'm just adding the chicken in to let it cook. While the chicken is cooking, I'm just going to be adding the sausage in so that can cook too. Okay, so once the noodles was done boiling, I seasoned them, and I'm just stirring them right now. And then I'm adding the chicken in, then I'm going to add the sausage in and the sauce.